Huron's face in November's blackest hour, and steamers brave with iron grace fell to the tempest's power. From Godrich down to Sarnia shore, the lake was wild and wide, and the James Carruthers sailed no more, though she never said goodbye. Oh, where does the James Carruthers lie? Beneath the wave, neath storm-swept sky. No marker stone, no widow's cry can name the place she died. She sleeps alone where the cold winds moan and the lake keeps what it hides. She was the finest of her class, afraid or proud and new, but steel and strength are nothing fast when the storm cloud splits in two. No wire, no flare, no final bell, just silence after pain, and families left with tales to tell and dreams that died in rain. Oh, where does the James Carruthers lie? Beneath the wave, neath storm-swept sky. No marker stone, no widow's cry can name the place she died. She sleeps alone where the cold winds moan and the lake keeps what it hides. Divers roam and sonars scan, they search the lake's cruel face, but time is long and truth is wan, and she's gone without a trace. No rusted beam, no shattered hull, no relics brought to shore, just water deep and silence full of names we'll know no more. Oh, where does the James Carruthers lie? In shadows deep where spirits cry. Mid shifting sands and years gone by, still silent is her tide. The Great Lakes keep the ones they take and never do confide. The Great Lakes keep the ones they take and never do confide.